Saturday morning and a pleasant surprise today. So I woke up thinking it was going to be a particularly lousy day weather-wise. I find out it's bright and sunny. So to take advantage of the nice weather on a beautiful day, I'm going to go take some time-lapse footage around the city. And then I'm going to meet my friend Steve for lunch around 2 o'clock. It's currently like 1-ish. So I got about an hour, grab some shots. So let's go have some fun. The most boring part of shooting time-lapse is just waiting. Hear that crazy loud noise? It's a couple construction workers right up there. Alright, first time-lapse is all done. Let's take a look, see how it turned out. Looks great. Let's go to the next spot. Location number 2. In Rittenhouse Park right now by the fountain here. And it's so nice that I think I'll do 2 setups here if I can. Two very nice time lapses from here in Rittenhouse Park in the bag. I'm gonna walk over now to meet Steven for a beer and a bite to eat. And of course I'm late, so hopefully he's not waiting too long. Yo, yo.
Hey brother, what's up man?
Cheers, buddy. I don't know how we ended up here. So after maybe one too many drinks, Steve and I parted ways. He went home, and I realized I forgot to film an ending for this vlog, so I guess the vlog's over. Hey friends, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can click here to subscribe or here to check out more videos. And don't forget, there's a new video every week, so stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.